In the vast landscapes of southern Africa, where heat shimmers above the savanna, there are trees that look unusual from a distance. They are not covered in leaves. Instead, they are covered in what looks like giant haystacks. But these are not random piles of grass. They are living cities in the sky, built by one of nature's most social architects, the sociable weaver. Most birds build nests for a single family, a small cup of twigs, hidden in branches, temporary and simple. But sociable weavers do something extraordinary. They build massive, permanent structures that can house hundreds, sometimes even thousands of birds at once. These nests are among the largest structures built by any bird species on Earth. Some are so large, they can span multiple meters across a single tree and weigh hundreds of kilograms. From the outside, they resemble giant straw rooftops, but inside they are highly organized colonies. Each nest is not just a structure, it is a community. Within these massive nests, there are hundreds of separate nesting chambers. Each chamber belongs to a family group, but they all share the same larger structure, a true example of a bird city. Living in groups has many advantages. By building together, sociable weavers gain protection from predators, better temperature control, shared construction effort. In the harsh desert environment, cooperation becomes a survival strategy. Building begins with a few birds selecting a tree or utility pole. Then others join in. Using dry grass, twigs, and plant fibers, they weave materials tightly together. The structure grows layer by layer, slowly expanding outward. Over time, what begins as a small cluster becomes a massive communal nest. The African environment is extreme. Days are hot, nights can be cold. But inside the nest, temperatures remain surprisingly stable. The thick thatch structure acts like insulation, keeping heat out during the day and warmth inside at night. A natural climate control system built entirely by birds. Inside the nest, there is order. Each pair of birds maintains its own chamber. They line it with soft materials for comfort and egg laying. Despite sharing the same roof, each family maintains its own private space, a balance between community and independence. Living so close together is not always peaceful. Competition for space can occur. Some chambers are reused for years, others are constantly rebuilt or expanded, yet the benefits of group living outweigh the challenges. One of the greatest advantages of these giant nests is safety. Predators like snakes or birds of prey find it difficult to reach individual chambers. The dense structure acts as a shield, and with so many eyes watching, danger is quickly detected. Unlike most bird nests that last a single season, sociable weaver nests can last for decades. Even generations of birds may live in the same structure. It becomes a permanent feature of the landscape. There is no leader directing construction, no blueprint. Each bird follows simple instincts. Add materials, strengthen weak areas, expand usable space. Yet together, they create one of the most complex avian structures on Earth. This is swarm intelligence in action. The Kalahari Desert presents extreme challenges: heat, wind, and predators. But sociable weavers have turned these challenges into opportunities. Their nests are not just shelters, they are survival machines. Researchers study these nests to understand social behavior in animals, climate control in natural systems, cooperative construction methods. These bird-built structures may even inspire future human architecture. High above the African plains, a living city sways gently in the wind. Built not by engineers or architects, but by hundreds of small birds working together. No single mind designed it. Yet it stands as one of nature's greatest achievements, a symbol of cooperation, survival, and extraordinary natural engineering. The world's largest bird-made home, crafted by the humble sociable weaver. If you enjoyed this exploration into one of nature's most fascinating creatures, like the video, share it with others. Subscribe BrightMinds for more wildlife and science documentaries.